A customer's home flooded, and the ceiling collapsed, which included this beautiful chandelier falling and being filled with water. First, we check the wire connections and see how much damage we're dealing with. Wouldn't come off as easy. I'd have liked it too. This chandelier suffered a lot of water damage. All wires, sockets, nuts, and threaded rods needed to be replaced. Time to rewire, add new sockets, and clean this beauty back to its natural state. Now it's time for this chandelier to return home. Installation, one last cleaning, and adding on the new glass shades.